actually even had a proper sleep. I'd say I went to bed around 12:30, and my mind has been pretty active that entire time. Somewhere in between dreaming and being conscious. And there's an entire cast of characters that started to come into my mind with so many different events that were happening. It was like a mix of it was like a mix of my life back in Manila with like my gonna be life here in Bangkok. A lot of queer people, not necessarily my close friends actually, but right now Celeste Ku is coming into my mind, and I don't even think we've had a conversation before, but she's really ingrained in my mind from that one Donna Summers disco night that happened in Apotheca, where she was in her glasses and her red lipstick with her drink in hand, and she was lip syncing to every song. So that was in my mind, and I guess she was here in Bangkok with us and we were partying. I guess all that to say is that my mind is just really excited that we're here and that this new life is happening. And maybe it's bursting with all the millions of possibilities of what this life could mean for me. And that's really exciting. Since it's already the new day, maybe we do our tarot pull and ask what the theme of today is. The diptyque box. This diptyque actually, Tam Dao. Almost sounds Thai, doesn't it? Huh? Maybe it is Thai. I see elephants on here. Holy shit. It might just be Thai. Tam Dao. And it's a very like smoky, incensey scent, you know, exotic, some might call it. And I normally don't buy expensive perfume. To be quite honest, maybe it's yeah, it's hard to see the value in it. But this scent was so good. Smelled really nice. So unique. And so I just kind of had to have it. And so I went on Carousel and looked for somebody who was selling like their used bottle, and found one. Maybe there was like a quarter of it left, and I think I bought it for like 2,000 pesos or something, 3,000. So worth it because I just do one spray, two sprays on special days. You get the bottle, which maybe to him had no value, but to me it's like I like keeping the bottle. It's quite unique shape. I use it kind of like for decor as well afterwards, and then the box, definitely like I feel like it's gonna be one of my signature scents, and I think I'm gonna bring the bottle here. I think it's a sign. Okay. Okay. Which one do we do first? Card or Ask GPT? Let's do let's do GPT first. Uh, is the Tam Dao sent from the Diptyque Thai inspired? It's gonna blow my mind. Oh, close but not quite. Tam Dao is actually Vietnamese inspired rather than Thai. Yes, Tam Dao. Okay, that makes sense too. Ferry grants us a direct homage to the childhood memories of Yves Clossant, one of Divtique's original founders. He grew up in the French Indochina and spent his summers escaping the stifling heat of Hanoi, high altitude mountain resort of Tam Dao in northern Vietnam. So it's a place. Oh, it would have been crazy if it was a place in Thailand, but maybe that's a sign to visit this spot in Vietnam as well. Set is famous for its dry, creamy, and meditative woodiness because it aims to recreate two distinct sensory memories: the sacred forest, the crisp, misty mountain air, captured through notes of cypress, myrtle, and cedar, and the temples, the scent of precious sandalwood logs being carried by elephants and burned as aromatic offerings in local temples. Wow, sounds magical. I'd love to visit. Okay. And then, okay. Yeah, the Ace of Cups. So, uh, hope springs through new beginnings. Uh, abundance and the cups, new relationships, new starts, for new inspirations, new loves. So, um, with the dove as a blessing from the sky. So really, after the Wheel of Fortune, it's telling us that new life begins for us here. So, what a wonderful card to receive for today, right? Okay, the Ace of Cups. Okay, I think I don't know. Something's pulling my feet to go outside and just maybe sit out in the balcony for a little bit. Maybe that will calm my mind, and then I'll be able to get back to sleep. Let's do that. It's quite a beautiful stay here. Little details just make it feel like a house that you're visiting. Like you're a guest in a friend's house. When you look now, and it's kind of like this garden area. It's really nicely done. Okay. Try to go back to sleep. And then I think if I'm still waking up and it's sunrise, why not go down to the river and um, do some reflecting over there. We're only like 5 minutes walk away from the river, so might be a good idea. But for now, I'm gonna try to head back to sleep. Okay. Okay, 7:30 a.m. Okay, no sunrise, but good for breakfast. Let's go. Hello. Okay, let's get some breakfast. Outside the
his personality. That's his person, no? In a layer encounter, iking kwadi sumikelo ko.
Not intentional, but i-absorb
Oo
lang.
nga,
Yung city how kami observe nila.
Yeah, at that age, kasi admire Henry C. diba?
Oo, di ba?
Joey lang.
Ikang hige canteen, hige white rabbit.
Yeah, ang ega.
Lohan eh.
This is...
Is this?
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
This is...
Is it noodles?
Noodles?
Oh.
Noodles, yes. Action siguro. Walang lucha.
Hello.
Meow meow.
I think this is already the market. This is market lo. Oh.
ไม่ใช่ก็ฟังที่กระหล่ำลูกนึงอะมันจะมี
Yeah, sweet salty
ไอ้
food.
จะหวานใช่เปล่า
Oy.
อะไรก็ขาย
Made in Taiwan. Gots of coal lang. Kya cute this one.
Oh, let's see.
That's sweet, yes. Crop top.
Kasi duwe sila may photo ka lang.
Ano? Unisex lang. Ha? Sui ba? sige sui la, sige sui oh. Hindi, ito yung pang occasion yun.
Pwede ko.
ได้ถามได้นะคะ
Di ba boy kape ba? Chow kape na.
O ka-item street side boy siguro. At so there's modern places mixed with the...
Nila yung sige Asia na lang.
Yes, by the river talaga. Cafe. Di ba tiyang Chaboy Cafe ba? Toilet for guests.
Toilet for guests.
Pool. Ito na ata eh. That's it. That's Thammasat. The one with the spire over there. You can already see the top of the spire. It's right there, and that's the boat also. Bangkunon. So you walk from Bangkunon here. You take a
minibus.
minibus. Thank
Oh,
you.
you first start, maternity first time.
First time. Yeah.
First time.
That's so good.
แม่เชื่อแค่ไหนว่าโกงจริงหรือเปล่าแม่ไม่เคยคิดเลย
Tha Phra Chan. I think that's already Faculty of Liberal Arts, huh?
Kasi sama Wang.
Right here. Yeah. Yeah. I think the entire thing is serial. It's big. Cow soy. This is the one that Jackie was trying to order yesterday. That's what matters to me. Disco walls. Party lion. So many offerings. Wow, look at the boat and look at the smoke. Oh my god, it's mixing with the water. We're here. We arrive. Kan kasini. Check 444.ขอบคุณครับ
Noodle soup.
Orange slushy. Noodles ba?
Glass noodle.
Yagoko. It's so sour. I think just a little bit was enough, but it's a lot. I like sour, but very sour.
บอกค่ะแม่วันนั้นแม่
와, 한 수요. 너. 오케이. Let's see.
Oh, ang ganda na.
Nang lighting dito.
Kaya ka lang siya.
Ah, yeah, sige, sige, pa-picture tayo.
Ganda rin.
So, hotel pala siya.
Hotel din siya. And then this one, we stayed then here while looking for a place. Dito rin sa
Ganda.
So the card was very literal today because it really is an outpour of blessings. Grabe ang rain. Look at that. I drew this card today. So today's card was very literal. It really rained blessings on us today, and extremely, if I may add, that was a really strong rain shower, and the lightning seemed really close to us as well. So it was just like a thunderstorm. Didn't last an hour. Still a little bit drizzly now, but that's it. Yeah. Dinner today was very enlightening. I'm very grateful that there are Filipinos here that I can connect with, and it seems like, according to my friend, more friends, more acquaintances are actually moving to Thailand as well, to Bangkok. So looks like I'll be reconnecting and be able to have chance at building these friendships with these people. So I think that's the message of today's card. Ace of Cups. Okay, and now I'm walking back to our accommodations. It's a lovely walk. So full. Again, well fed today. Tomorrow, we'll be meeting with the broker to look at some possible units for rent. I don't know if I'll be signing the lease this trip. I'm feeling like not wanting to commit for too long just yet. Maybe just living for maybe getting an Airbnb for a few weeks, feel it out, so that I can really see what neighborhood I want to be a part of here. Definitely want a community. I want to be surrounded by creatives, right? by young people, by queers, and so hopefully the right place will find me. I'm putting it out into the universe. Okay, so till tomorrow, I love you. Mwah.